Hello Tigers, I'm Jeff Martin, the Campus Security Director for Broken Arrow Public Schools. I want to tell you about an upcoming road construction project that is going to affect the traffic flow of Broken Arrow High School, Creekwood Elementary, and Creekwood Early Childhood Center. Starting April 10th, the City of Broken Arrow, in conjunction with the Oklahoma Department of Transportation, have contracted to improve Albany from 9th to 23rd Street, that's Lynn Lane to County Line Road. Albany will be widened to 5 lanes, which will greatly improve the traffic flow at the 3 school sites. This has been in the works for several years, and the time has come to start the construction phase of this project. The construction will start April 10th with the improvement of the intersection of Albany and 23rd, that's 61st and County Line Road. During this time, there will be no left turns allowed in all 4 directions. To help with the traffic flow, Campus Security will open the gate on the access road by the Varsity Training Center during lunch. This will allow the students to enter onto the campus off of 23rd Street. Remember, you will not be allowed to make a left turn at Albany. The gate will be closed after lunch and the access road will return to construction traffic only. The access road will continue to be open before and after school for the remainder of this school year. Remember, if you exit out of the northeast part of the campus by the stadium, you will not be able to make a left turn onto 23rd Street. If you need to go north, you can go straight to 37th Street, that is 209th, and turn left at that intersection. Expect increased traffic enforcement for the no left turn at the Albany and 23rd Street intersection. As a reminder, corner cutting is illegal. Don't cut through the Casey's or Domino's parking lot to avoid the intersection. That also includes driving through the Place at Quail Hollow apartment complex. Albany during this improvement stage will be down to a 2-lane road with no center turn lane. Take this into consideration when you are traveling in the area. Traffic will be slower and more congested. It will take longer to get around and you may not be able to take your normal route of travel. Give yourself more travel time and be aware of the construction workers on the roadway. Look for messaging from the City of Broken Arrow and Broken Arrow Public Schools for any changes in the construction project or the traffic flow. Be kind during this time of progress, and as Mr. Perry says, the best is yet to come.